If you are looking for pruning saws for gardening purposes or for any other needs, then this video will help you select the best from many available in the market today. At number 5, we have Fiskars 14-foot power lever. Make reaching and cutting high branches easier than ever with our power lever extendable tree pruner. Power lever technology increases leverage to give you up to 2 times more cutting power than traditional tree pruners. The easy-to-handle, lightweight pole extends up to 14 feet to put high branches within easy reach. The fully hardened, precision-ground steel pruning blade features a rust-resistant, low-friction coating that makes cutting easier, and an included 15-inch saw blade makes taking down thicker branches a breeze. Our 4th best product today is the Samurai Ichiban GC330LH. A testament to Japanese engineering, the Samurai Ichiban GC330LH superlative design incorporates impulse-hardened teeth with a tapered grind surface. Together, they help reduce binding and keep the blade sharp cut after cut, no matter what you saw through. At number 3, we have the Silky SKS 27033 Zubat. The Zubat Professional, the basic series of the saws with a curved blade, is available in 5 lengths: 240, 270, 300, 330, and 390 millimeter. The unique Mirai Mi dentition of 7.5 per 30 millimeters makes the saw well suited for pruning. The curved blade of the Zubat Professional gives a higher yield for the work above shoulder height, and it cuts easily at the top of the branch. The blade of hard chromium is resistant to corrosion and the effects of resin and creates a very durable surface. The blade and the handle are designed in one piece, which makes the Zubat Professional a perfectly balanced saw. The Zubat Professional has a molded rubber handle that lies comfortable in hand and significantly reduces vibration. The saw fits right into the tailor-made pivoting black plastic sheath with the detachable belt holder. The sheath has an opening at the bottom, allowing moisture and sawdust to fall out of the holster. The Zubat Professional blade can also be mounted on the Zubat Professional pole saw series, which means you can use this saw both as a pole saw and as a hand saw. The Tabor Tools Turbo Teeth is the 2nd best product on the list today. Survivalists and outdoors people will appreciate the Tabor Tools Turbo Teeth, a budget-friendly but capable pruner that makes quick work of firewood and other debris. Add a lanyard to it and hang it on your pack to always be prepared for whatever nature throws at you. It comes with durable steel alloy construction. At number 1 today, we have the folding 121-24 Gomboy Professional. The multi-purpose silky folding 121-24 Gomboy Professional boasts a spring-loaded blade lock, so you never have to worry about it folding closed on your hand. It's perfect for light-duty work, like hacking down brambles, but can also handle cutting through dry, hard wood. This has been a video review of the best 5 pruning saws. Thanks for checking it out.